Assalamualaikum, hello, ni hao, and vanakkam. I bid to the honorable judges, accurate timekeeper, distinguished teachers, and my fellow friends. My name is Dania Ellysha Binti Mohd Hanafiah. Lend me your ears for these sensational issues around the world, and let me tell my little notes regarding to Malaysian attitudes, knowledge, and practice towards COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected everyone's life, in which the daily activity are changed to adapt to new norm. Initially, when COVID-19 hits every corner of the world, most countries took a drastic action to curb the spread of the virus. Among the steps taken were the closing of the country borders, the public are confined to their home, and movement control are being enforced. This creates anxiety, worry, and panic among the public. To deepen the understanding of Malaysians regarding to knowledge, attitudes, and practices towards COVID-19, a group of researchers from University Kebangsaan Malaysia, which was led by Associate Professor Dr. Emma Mirzawati Muhammad and Dr. Aniza Anis Azlan from the Faculty of Social Sciences and Humanities, with researchers from University Malaysia Perlis, University Putra Malaysia, and Sunway University, had conducted a study involving 4,850 respondents, and this study was published in PLOS ONE, a high-impact journal, Q2. The study sought to measure the level of knowledge, attitudes, and practice among the Malaysian society. More specifically, the objective were to measure knowledge scores among the different layers of society, gauge positive and negative attitudes, and observe the disease prevention behavior of Malaysians in the pandemic. The research article was published on May 21st, 2020, and the content of the article was extended to the World Health Organization, WHO, as part of the journal initiative of facilitate the process of sharing information about this outbreak. The findings of the study have contributed to global monitoring efforts of COVID-19. The results show that 80.5% of Malaysians had sufficient knowledge about COVID-19 despite some misunderstanding about the virus, which was said could spread through the air. Malaysian attitudes towards COVID-19 are optimistic. Malaysians are confident that the virus can be overcome, and the government is doing a good job at handling it. Through the study, Dr. Arina Anis explained that Malaysians had begun to avoid crowded areas, practicing good hand hygiene, and using hand sanitizer a week before the MCO was implemented. However, only a small number of people use face masks because it is not part of a culture they are used to, she said. The researchers are hopeful that as the pandemic continues, people will learn to adapt to new norms. Thank you.